Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about ventilator component. So left side you can see the component, and I am going to show you how to create this forming tool, and these are the pattern of lowers. So this is the component, and this is the forming tool. And I am going to show you how to create these lowers with sketches. So let's start now. So initially I am going to create the forming tool. Select the top plane, go to sketch, draw one center rectangle, and this is 15. Select these two lines, make it equal. So select the extruded boss and take any value. I am taking 1 mm. Flip the direction. Now select this face, go to sketch, draw one circle from the origin. See, keep shaded form for better visibility. It shows the closed loop. This is 12 mm. Select the sketch and make it construction. So this is like a reference sketch. Keep it in wireframe. So draw two horizontal lines, and connecting these circles end to end. So the distance between these two lines is 1.5, and origin to this line is 2.5. So this is 2.5. Now draw one more line and here also one more line. and draw one 3-point arc connecting these two endpoints. So make it tangent. This is 1.5. See, make sure that this point, so this is also tangent, and make sure that this point meets this line. See, this is fully constrained sketch. Similarly, we have to connect this line. And this is 1.8. So this is the reference sketch. We can make this as a construction, since it is a reference sketch. See here, come out of this sketch. Now I am going to create the revolve feature. So select this face, go to sketch, select convert entities, select this line, and this line, and say OK. Select revolve and select this line. This is 90. See here, it is in opposite direction. We have to flip this. So simple lower creation, it's very easy. This method is very much easy. And similarly, create the other lower. Select this face, go to sketch, select convert entities, select these lines, go to revolve feature. This is 90. Flip this direction. See, this is how it is going to form. So it is created now. Now I am going to apply linear pattern select this edge, select this feature, and this is 8.5 and say OK. See, one other lower is created. Now I am going to create one more linear pattern. Select this edge, select this, this is 3 mm and say OK. See here, I am going to hide this sketch now. See, this is how it's going to create. Now I am going to apply the fillet. So fillet value is 0.1. Now I am going to apply the forming tool command. Select this forming tool command from the sheet metal module, and stopping face, select this face, and faces to remove, we have to select these faces and say OK. See here. Now I am going to create the component. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the top plane, go to sketch, draw one rectangle, so this is 15, this is 15. Select the base flange, and thickness I have taken 0.1 and K factor is 0.45. So K factor should be always less than 0.5. Now go to forming tool folder. I have saved this forming tool file in this folder. Go to position, draw an inclined line, so it is exactly at the center. Flip the tool and say OK. See here, this is the component. Now I am going to apply simple hole feature. So select this hole feature from the sheet metal module, and the hole diameter is 1 mm, and come out of the sketch. So I have drawn one diagonal line, and I am going to dimension these values. Let's take 2 mm. By 2 mm. or 1.5. So let's reduce this value. See, we want to mirror in 4 directions. I am going to remove this diagonal line and draw one vertical line and a horizontal line. Select the mirror command, select this and select this center line, and select once again mirror command, select these two features and two entities and mirror about this center line and come out of this sketch. So these are the four holes. So this is how we create the multiple pattern of lowers in sheet metal module. So this is the final component. So this is brief about ventilator component in sheet metal module. Thanks for watching. For more videos on SolidWorks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.